Alright, let's talk about cordless drills and why you don't need to spend $200 to get a great one in 2026. Because after testing the top budget-friendly kits, the value under $70 is genuinely surprising. Most people need a drill for one of three things: light home repairs and assembly, a complete toolkit that includes hand tools, or a compact drill that's easy to use for longer projects. The drills I'm recommending today have real torque numbers, real battery life, and real accessories that actually help. No marketing fluff. 5 cordless drills, different voltages, different bundle sizes, all available right now. Links in description. Let's get into it. Number 5. SnapFresh 20-volt cordless drill set. Number 5. The SnapFresh 20-volt cordless drill set. This is the budget workhorse. You get a full 20-volt drill with 21 torque settings plus a drill mode, giving you precise control for everything from delicate screws to drilling into brick. A 2-speed gearbox lets you switch between 0 to 400 revolutions per minute for screw driving and 0 to 1,400 revolutions per minute for drilling. It weighs only 1.8 pounds, 30% lighter than many competitors, with a comfortable grip that makes it easy for beginners, women, and seniors. The 3/8-inch keyless chuck makes bit changes quick, and there's an LED light for dark corners. The kit includes a 2.0 ampere-hour battery and a fast charger that fully charges in just 50 minutes, plus 43 bits and a flexible shaft, all in a storage case. Now, the honest truth: it's not a brushless motor, so it won't last forever under heavy daily use. But at $43.75 with a 20-volt drill, a full accessory set, and a fast charger, it's hard to argue with the value. Perfect for renters, first-time homeowners, or anyone who wants reliable power without breaking the bank. Number 4. JENABOM 8-volt cordless drill set, 127-piece home tool kit. Number 4. The JENABOM 127-piece home tool kit. This is more than a drill. It's a complete starter workshop in a stylish, compact case. The 8-volt cordless drill is lightweight, easy to handle, and features an LED work light. It's powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that charges via USB-C. You can top it up from any standard charger or even a laptop. But what really sets this set apart is the 127 hand tools included: a claw hammer, pliers, screwdrivers, a level, hex keys, drill bits, sockets, and more. All stored in a sturdy plastic case with custom compartments. The tools are made from chrome-plated alloy steel to resist rust with anti-slip grips. Now, the drill is only 8 volts, so it won't compete with a 20-volt for heavy drilling into concrete. But if you're looking for a gift for a new homeowner, a college student, or someone who loves a pop of color, the light pink version is beautiful. This 127-piece kit at $49.79 is incredible value, and it looks great sitting on a shelf. Number 3. DegLasers 12-volt max cordless drill/driver kit. Number 3. The DegLasers 12-volt max cordless drill/driver kit. This is the compact powerhouse that proves you don't need 20 volts to get serious work done. The drill delivers an impressive 470 inch-pounds of torque, enough to drive screws into hardwood without bogging down, and it can drill into steel plate up to 3/8 inch thick. It's got a 20+1 position clutch, so you can dial in the perfect torque for each screw, preventing stripped heads. 2-speed gearbox gives you 0 to 400 revolutions per minute for screw driving and 0 to 1,500 revolutions per minute for drilling. The 3/8 inch keyless chuck makes bit changes effortless. An LED light illuminates your workspace. The kit comes with a 12-volt 2.5 ampere-hour battery and a fast charger that gets you back to full in about 70 minutes. At only 2.2 pounds, it's light enough for overhead work and comfortable for extended use. Now, at $58.49, it's not the cheapest on our list, but the torque-to-weight ratio is fantastic. It's ideal for anyone who wants professional grade feel and enough power for most home projects without lugging around a heavy tool. Number 2. Sundpey 170-piece toolkit with 21-volt drill. Number 2. The Sundpey 170-piece toolkit with 21-volt drill. This is the ultimate home starter kit. If you need one case that does it all, this is it. The heart of the set is a 21-volt cordless drill with a 2.0 ampere-hour rechargeable battery and fast charger. It offers a 25+1 torque setting, 2 speeds, 0 to 350 and 0 to 1,350 revolutions per minute, a keyless chuck, and an LED light. At only 2.57 pounds, it's lightweight but still packs enough punch for drilling into wood, plastic, ceramic, and even glass. But the real story is the 170 pieces packed into the portable toolbox. A claw hammer, adjustable wrench, pliers, measuring tape, screwdrivers, utility knife, a full set of hex wrenches, screwdriver bits, woodworking and masonry drill bits, a socket set, and even a selection of screws and nails. The toolbox itself has recessed grooves to keep everything organized and a secure buckle to prevent accidental opening. The hand tools are made from heat-treated carbon steel for durability, with ergonomic handles for a comfortable grip. Now, the drill is a solid entry-level unit, not a high-end professional tool, but for a complete home toolkit that you can grab for any repair. Hanging pictures, fixing a loose drawer, assembling furniture, this thing is unbeatable. At $49.99 with a coupon, you're getting an entire workshop in a box. Number 1. Thatool 139-piece tool set with 8-volt cordless drill driver. Finally, our number 1 pick, the Thatool 139-piece tool set with 8-volt cordless drill driver. This is the complete package. Quality tools, a surprisingly capable drill, and the most thoughtful storage we've seen. The 8-volt cordless driver hits the sweet spot for home use. It's lightweight, ergonomic, and includes an LED work light. With a no-load speed of up to 800 revolutions per minute, it's plenty for driving screws, assembling furniture, and drilling into softwood. The 1,500 mAh battery charges via USB. You can use any 5-volt charger, and a rear-mounted LED shows you when it's fully charged. What makes this set our winner is the overall quality. The hand tools are made from premium steel with heat-treated chromium surfaces. They feel solid and resist rust. The 139 pieces include all the essentials: a claw hammer, pliers, screwdrivers, a level, drill bits, screwdriver bits, sockets, hex keys, and more. Everything is organized in a rugged storage case with custom compartments. At $62.99, it's the most expensive set on our list. But when you factor in the quality of the tools, the convenience of the drill, and the thoughtful storage, it's the best all-around value. For anyone who wants a single kit that handles almost any home project and looks good doing it, the Thatool 139-piece set is our undisputed champion. Quick recap: SnapFresh 20 volts at $43, budget 20 volts workhorse with 43 pieces, JENABOM 127-piece at $49, stylish complete kit, perfect as a gift, DegLasers 12 volts at $58, compact high-torque drill with 470-inch pounds, Sundpey 170-piece at $49, massive 21-volt drill and 170 pieces in one case, Thatool 139-piece at $62, superior build quality and the best all-around set. Every drill here delivers real value. Links in the description. Subscribe if this helped. Drop a comment if you've used any of these. Stay safe and keep it valid.